Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable notification center from lock screen on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is, if your iPhone screen is locked and you want to access the notification center, you say this is not possible. Now what you need to do is, go ahead and open your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down. Locate and click on Face ID and passcode. Type in your iPhone passcode. Now scroll down until you get to Allow access when locked. Make sure notification center is disabled so as to prevent access to your iPhone notification center on lock screen. So that's exactly how to disable access to notification center on lock screen on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.